If you are looking to prepare for the WGU C720 objective assessment, then it is for you. You're in the right place. On our website, you will find a number of well-selected questions and answers to assist you in C720, Operation and Supply Chain Management. In this video, we will cover questions from supply chain strategy, inventory management, lean principles, quality management, and production layout. So, let's get started. 1. A company wants to minimize inventory costs for products with long life cycles, stable demand, and low profit margins. Which type of supply chain is best suited for this purpose? A. Agile supply chain. B. Lean supply chain. C. Responsive supply chain. D. Innovative supply chain. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Lean supply chain. Explanation. A lean supply chain is designed for products with predictable demand and minimal innovation, focusing on efficiency and cost reduction to support long life cycle products with low profit margins. 2. A business wants to protect itself against unexpected demand changes. Which inventory strategy should they adopt to ensure they can still meet customer demand without delay? A. Vendor managed inventory. VMI. B. Economic order. Quantity. EOQ. C. Safety stock. D. Just in time. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Safety stock. Explanation. Safety stock acts as a buffer inventory to accommodate unexpected demand spikes, allowing the business to meet customer needs without delay. 3. A company has decided to own its suppliers to ensure tighter control over its production. This strategy is known as A. Forward vertical integration. B. Backward vertical integration. C. Horizontal integration. D. Strategic partnership. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Backward vertical integration. Explanation. Backward vertical integration refers to a company owning its suppliers, enabling greater control over the production process by managing inputs directly. 4. An organization wants to align its entire supply chain around responsiveness and adaptability to rapidly changing customer demands. This type of supply chain is best described as A. Lean. B. Agile. C. Traditional. D. Decentralized. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Agile. Explanation. An agile supply chain focuses on responsiveness and flexibility to accommodate shifting customer demands effectively. 5. What is the primary goal of firms using the EOQ, Economic Order Quantity Model? A. Increase production speed. B. Minimize ordering and holding costs. C. Maximize total costs. D. Reduce safety stock requirements. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Minimize ordering and holding costs. Explanation. EOQ is designed to find the optimal order quantity that minimizes the total annual costs of ordering and holding inventory. 6. In the context of supply chain management, which of the following is most accurately described as the flow and transfer of goods and services from raw material extraction to the final consumer? A. Logistics. B. Reverse logistics. C. Supply chain. D. Inventory management. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Supply chain. Explanation. The supply chain encompasses all activities related to the movement of goods and services, from raw material extraction to the final consumer. 7. A company uses a system where it orders materials only as they are needed for production. This inventory method is known as A. Just in time. JET. B. Safety stock. C. Push system. D. Periodic review system. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Just in time. Explanation. JIT aims to reduce inventory holding costs by ordering materials only as needed for production, minimizing excess stock. 8. When an item's demand is generated directly from the production process of another item, it is referred to as A. Independent demand, B. Derived demand, C. Dependent demand, D. Fluctuating demand. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, C. Dependent demand. Explanation: dependent demand arises when an item's demand is linked to the production of another item, as in components or sub-assemblies. 9. Which model includes strategies like vendor-managed inventory to improve inventory control and reduce stockouts at the retailer's end? A. Economic order, quantity, EOQ, B. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI, C. Aggregate planning, D. Periodic review system. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, B. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI. Explanation: VMI allows the supplier to manage inventory for the retailer, reducing stockouts and improving inventory management. 10. In a pull system, materials are moved through the production process. A. Based on a set schedule. B. As they are needed. C. Once they reach maximum inventory levels. D. According to a forecast. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, B. As they are needed. Explanation: a pull system moves materials based on immediate needs, avoiding excess inventory and reducing waste. 11. In which situation would backward vertical integration most likely provide a strategic advantage? A. A company wants more control over distribution channels. B. A company seeks to ensure a steady supply of raw materials. C. A company aims to outsource production. D. A company wants to expand its retail presence. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, B. A company seeks to ensure a steady supply of raw materials. Explanation: backward vertical integration helps a company control its supply by owning its suppliers, which can secure a consistent flow of raw materials. 12. What is the primary focus of lean supply chain members? A. Increasing production speed. B. Minimizing costs and inventory. C. Maximizing flexibility. D. Developing high product variation. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, B. Minimizing costs and inventory. Explanation: lean supply chains focus on efficiency, aiming to reduce costs and minimize excess inventory. 13. A process bottleneck is identified as the stage that A. Requires the shortest processing time, B. Has the least variation in output, C. Holds back production due to limited capacity, D. Consistently meets production targets. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, C. Holds back production due to limited capacity. Explanation: a bottleneck is a stage where production is delayed due to its limited capacity relative to demand. 14. Which of the following describes the concept of chase demand? A. Building up inventory to meet demand spikes. B. Adjusting production rates to match demand fluctuations. C. Reducing workforce to maintain stable output. D. Ignoring demand to focus on production efficiency. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, B. Adjusting production rates to match demand fluctuations. Explanation: chase demand involves varying production rates to directly match changes in customer demand, avoiding excess inventory. 15. A company decides to improve its logistics system by adopting technology that tracks shipments in real time. This improvement is primarily aimed at enhancing A. Cost control, B. Transparency and customer service, C. Product design, D. Quality control. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Transparency and customer service. Explanation. Real-time shipment tracking improves transparency and customer service by providing up-to-date information on delivery status. 16. A situation in which a company uses the same equipment to produce a variety of products, thereby reducing costs, exemplifies A. Economies of scope. B. Economies of scale. C. Just-in-time production. D. Product standardization. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Economies of scope. Explanation. Economies of scope allow cost savings by producing a range of products on shared equipment, benefiting from flexibility in production. 17. A company that sets up dedicated product facilities for specific markets, ensuring that each facility serves a distinct region, is following which strategy? A. Regional facility strategy. B. Product facility strategy. C. Aggregate planning strategy. D. Location consolidation strategy. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Regional facility strategy. Explanation. A regional facility strategy focuses on establishing facilities tailored to specific geographic regions to better serve local markets. 18. When a manufacturer decides to simplify its assembly process by minimizing machine setup times, this is an example of applying A. Kanban principles. B. Lean principles. C. Agile methodology. D. Quality function. Deployment. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Lean principles. Explanation. Lean principles aim to streamline production by reducing waste and inefficiencies, such as minimizing setup times. 19. The primary objective of total quality management, TQM, within an organization is to A. Focus solely on reducing costs. B. Improve product and service quality to meet customer expectations. C. Limit production to match demand. D. Maximize inventory turnover. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Improve product and service quality to meet customer expectations. Explanation. TQM emphasizes enhancing quality across the organization to ensure customer satisfaction. 20. A company that places a representative from a supplier on site to manage inventory and place orders for its products is utilizing which strategy? A. Vendor Managed Inventory, VMI. B. Third-party logistics, 3PL. C. Just-in-time 2. D. Lead time reduction. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Just-in-time 2. GT2. Explanation. GT2 places a supplier representative on site, allowing them to manage inventory and order materials in real time. 21. A forecasting model that involves soliciting input from a group of experts to reach a consensus is known as A. Survey method. B. Delphi technique. C. Build-up method. D. Test market analysis. Can you guess the answer? Correct. Answer. B. Delphi technique. Explanation. The Delphi technique gathers input from a panel of experts to reach a consensus, particularly useful for new or uncertain forecasting areas. 22. In the context of demand types, what type of demand is most likely driven by holiday events like Christmas? A. Peak demand. B. Seasonal demand. C. Unexpected demand. D. Chase demand. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Seasonal demand. Explanation. Seasonal demand occurs regularly based on specific events or seasons, such as holiday shopping surges. 23. If a company's product has a high cost of failure and customers are highly sensitive to quality, which approach should the company take to ensure quality? A. Lean production. B. Total quality management. TQM. C. Process improvement. D. Aggregate planning. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Total quality management. TQM? Explanation. TQM focuses on quality assurance at every level of production, ensuring high standards to meet customer expectations for sensitive products. 24. Which type of layout is most suitable for a company that produces large volumes of identical products with minimal variation? A. Process-oriented layout. B. Product-oriented layout. C. Cellular layout. D. Fixed position layout. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Product-oriented layout. Explanation. A product-oriented layout is ideal for high-volume, low-variation products due to its sequential flow and efficiency in repetitive production. 25. What is the main purpose of an economic order quantity (EOQ) model? A. To minimize total inventory costs. B. To maximize production output. C. To increase vendor relationships. D. To improve order scheduling accuracy. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. To minimize total inventory costs. Explanation. EOQ seeks to balance ordering and holding costs, minimizing total costs associated with inventory management. 26. When inventory is tracked continuously with real-time updates on inventory levels, the system is known as A. Periodic inventory system. B. Perpetual inventory system. C. Economic order quantity. EOQ. D. Vendor managed inventory. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Perpetual inventory system. Explanation. A perpetual inventory system continuously tracks inventory changes, maintaining up-to-date data on stock levels. 27. A manager is working on identifying the bottleneck in a production line. What is the primary characteristic of a bottleneck? A. It is the most productive part of the process. B. It restricts the overall capacity of the process. C. It produces the least amount of defects. D. It improves production speed. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. It restricts the overall capacity of the process. Explanation. A bottleneck is a point in the process with limited capacity that restricts the overall flow and production output. 28. When a product is designed to ensure it can perform as intended under a variety of conditions, this focus on reliability is a key aspect of which concept? A. Performance. B. Conformance. C. Reliability. D. Aesthetics. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Reliability. Explanation. Reliability emphasizes a product's consistent performance over time, ensuring it meets the intended purpose under various conditions. 29. Which of the following is most commonly associated with reducing waste in the production process? A. Agile methodology. B. Lean principles. C. Capacity planning. D. Forecasting methods. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Lean principles. Explanation. Lean principles focus on eliminating waste, maximizing efficiency, and optimizing resources in the production process. 30. Which of the following best describes vendor-managed inventory? VMI. A. The retailer handles all inventory decisions and orders as needed. B. The supplier manages inventory levels and orders for the retailer. C. Inventory is ordered only when stock reaches a minimum level. D. Inventory levels are checked periodically and adjusted accordingly. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. The supplier manages inventory levels and orders for the retailer. Explanation. VMI allows suppliers to oversee and replenish inventory, improving coordination and reducing stockouts at the retailer's end. Struggling with your WGU exams? We've all been there. Welcome to OAExams.com, your ultimate resource for WGU success. Find over 15,000 plus questions and answers. Join our thriving community of over 10,000 active WGU students and an impressive 100% success rate with our premium exam support. Visit OAExams.com today and take the first step toward guaranteed success. 31. In a supply chain, the strategy that uses real-time sales data to replenish stock at retail locations is A. Vendor Managed Inventory, VMI, B. Reverse Logistics, C. Safety Stock, D. Batch Processing. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Vendor Managed Inventory, VMI. Explanation. VMI enables suppliers to access real-time data to replenish stock based on actual sales, enhancing coordination with retailers. 32. A business is trying to identify key areas to improve by categorizing inventory items based on their dollar usage. This practice is known as A. Economic order, quantity, EOQ, B. Just-in-time, JIT, C. ABC analysis, D. Capacity utilization. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, C. ABC analysis. Explanation. ABC analysis classifies inventory items by dollar usage to prioritize control efforts on the most valuable items, enhancing inventory management efficiency. 33. A firm wants to align with a supplier on an inventory strategy where the supplier holds stock on behalf of the firm and restocks as needed. Which system is this firm likely implementing? A. Periodic review system, B. Perpetual inventory system, C. Vendor managed inventory, D. Order point system. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, C. Vendor managed inventory, VMI. Explanation. VMI allows the supplier to manage and replenish inventory levels, aligning supply with demand more closely and reducing the risk of stockouts. 34. Which of the following best describes the purpose of safety stock in inventory management? A. To maximize order size. B. To serve as a buffer against demand variability. C. To replace outdated products. D. To increase profitability. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, B. To serve as a buffer against demand variability. Explanation. Safety stock helps mitigate the effects of unexpected demand changes, ensuring product availability without the need for excessive stock levels. 35. A company identifies an activity in its supply chain that does not add value to the customer and incurs costs. Which technique is used to address such activities? A. Lean manufacturing, B. ABC analysis, C. Safety stock management, D. Capacity utilization. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, A. Lean manufacturing. Explanation. Lean manufacturing aims to eliminate waste, focusing resources on activities that directly add value for the customer. 36. An electronics company has highly unpredictable demand for new models with short product life cycles. Which supply chain strategy is most appropriate? A. Lean supply chain, B. Agile supply chain, C. Push-based supply chain, D. Vendor managed inventory, VMI. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, B. Agile supply chain. Explanation. An agile supply chain is suitable for products with unpredictable demand and short life cycles, as it emphasizes flexibility and rapid response. 37. In quality management, what does the concept of fitness for use refer to? A. Conformance to design specifications, B. Ensuring products meet customer needs, C. Minimizing production costs, D. Improving delivery speed. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, B. Ensuring products meet customer needs. Explanation. Fitness for use emphasizes that products should meet customer requirements effectively, aligning quality with consumer expectations. 38. In a manufacturing setup, what type of layout would best fit an environment producing a high volume of standardized products with little variation? A. Process-oriented layout. B. Product-oriented layout. C. Fixed position layout. D. Functional layout. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Product-oriented layout. Explanation. A product-oriented layout is designed for high-volume, low-variation products, streamlining production to match demand efficiently. 39. A business seeks to lower lead time and enhance efficiency by simplifying the number of suppliers and focusing on long-term relationships. Which strategy is this most aligned with? A. Agile supply chain. B. Vendor-managed inventory. VMI. C. Lean supply chain. D. Strategic alliances. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. D. Strategic alliances. Explanation. Strategic alliances involve forming long-term partnerships, often streamlining supplier relationships to improve lead times and operational efficiency. 40. A company that prioritizes producing goods just in time to fulfill customer orders without holding excess inventory uses. Which approach? A. Push system. B. Pull system. C. Vendor-managed inventory. VMI. D. Lead system. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Pull system. Explanation. A pull system produces items only as needed, aligning production with real-time demand to minimize inventory and reduce waste. 41. When a manufacturer sends defective products back to the supplier for replacement, this process is referred to as A. Lean logistics. B. Reverse logistics. C. Just-in-time inventory. D. Supplier warranty. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Reverse logistics. Explanation. Reverse logistics involves handling returns, repairs, and replacements, ensuring defective products are returned to the supplier for correction. 42. Which quality tool would help a company visualize the relationship between two variables to identify possible correlations? A. Scatter plot. B. Control chart. C. Pareto chart. D. Fishbone diagram. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Scatter plot. Explanation. A scatter plot helps visualize the relationship between two variables, revealing potential correlations between them. 43. In a continuous flow production process, which of the following is true about the product being made? A. Each unit requires a different process. B. Products are discrete items. C. Products flow continuously in an unbroken stream. D. Production stops after each batch is complete. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Products flow continuously in an unbroken stream. Explanation. Continuous flow processes are designed for unbroken production streams, such as chemicals or fuels, which are produced without interruption. 44. A firm produces several parts that require similar processing steps. To improve efficiency, it groups these parts together. This is known as A. Lean production. B. Process layout. C. Group technology. D. Flow manufacturing. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Group technology. Explanation. Group technology arranges parts with similar processing requirements together, reducing setup times and improving material flow. 45. A firm wishes to improve quality by ensuring that every part is made correctly the first time. This philosophy is most closely associated with A. Taguchi methods, B. Just-in-time production, C. Poker-yoke, D. Lean management. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, C. Poker-yoke. Explanation: poker-yoke or mistake proofing aims to prevent errors at each step to ensure quality consistency throughout production. 46. Which of the following describes a continuous review system in inventory management? A. Inventory is checked at regular intervals. B. Inventory levels are tracked in real time. C. Orders are placed only during certain periods. D. Stock levels are managed by the supplier. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, B. Inventory levels are tracked in real time. Explanation: a continuous review system monitors inventory levels in real time, allowing immediate replenishment when stock falls below a threshold. 47. A car manufacturer producing the same model continuously without major changes or interruptions is most likely using which layout? A. Process-oriented layout. B. Product-oriented layout. C. Fixed position layout. D. Hybrid layout. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, B. Product-oriented layout. Explanation: a product-oriented layout suits high-volume, low-variation production, such as manufacturing the same car model continuously. 48. Which method of inventory management involves using a signal to move materials only when a part is needed, typically reducing waste and excess inventory? A. Push system. B. Pull system. C. Periodic review system. D. Vendor managed inventory, VMI. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, B. Pull system. Explanation: a pull system moves materials only as needed, responding to actual demand and reducing unnecessary inventory. 49. A shop that creates custom-made furniture for individual clients would most likely use which type of process? A. Continuous flow. B. Batch process. C. Assembly line. D. Job shop. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, D. Job shop. Explanation: a job shop is suited for low-volume, high-variation production, such as custom furniture, where each product is unique to client specifications. 50. Which type of forecasting method relies heavily on the input of a group of industry experts to predict demand? A. Test market analysis. B. Panel of experts, Delphi technique. C. Simple moving average. D. Exponential smoothing. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, B. Panel of experts. Delphi technique. Explanation: the Delphi technique gathers expert opinions to form a consensus forecast, often used in areas with limited historical data. You've reached the end of our first question set. For the complete exam preparation experience, visit us at OAExams.com, where you'll find thousands more practice questions and comprehensive study guides. Thanks for studying with us today. See you in the next video.